Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dynamics 365 marketing for lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the marketing module on the left panel. Click on Marketing Execution in the menu. Select lead capture from the drop-down options. Next, click on Web Forms under the lead capture section. Now, press the New button to create a new web form. Provide a name for your web form in the designated field. Choose the form type that suits your lead capture strategy. In the form builder, drag and drop the necessary fields from the toolbox. Customize each field's settings to capture the desired information. Ensure to mark the required fields that must be filled out by users. You can also add custom styling to match your brand. Review the form's layout to ensure it flows intuitively for users. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to secure your changes. Next, navigate to the Settings tab within your web form. Under the Submit Actions section, specify what happens after submission. Select whether to display a thank you message or redirect to another page. After setting up the submission actions, move to the Integrations tab. Connect your web form to your preferred marketing channel or CRM system. Once integrations are complete, press Publish to make your form live. Now, copy the provided embed code from the publication screen. This code can be placed on your website where you want the form to appear. If needed, adjust the dimensions of the form in the embed code for better fit. Test the form on your site to ensure it functions correctly. Check that all submissions are captured in the Dynamics 365 system. Finally, monitor the effectiveness of your lead capture form regularly. This will help you make necessary adjustments over time for improved results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.